Hello, everyone. How are you? Let's spread love, happiness, and success among community. Nordek blockchain ecosystem for the next billionaire. About Nordek blockchain ecosystem for mainstream adoption of Web3 gaming that positively impact innovative projects built on Nordek blockchain. Key highlights of Nordek EVM-compatible Ethereum-based Layer 2 blockchain zero gas fee protocol with ecosystem of applications, delegated proof of stake consensus mechanism, DPoS. Dedicated tech and developers team listed on 6 well-known exchanges. Mainnet went live in February 2023. Testnet for devs with doc 70K users community growing at 12% wow globally. Norpay payments now licensed to issue crypto debit cards. 8+ ecosystem partners with 2+ new partners every week. Solution. Using blockchain to enhance Web3 adoption. This is especially relevant for developing countries. Hundreds of millions of people there lack access to basic banking services, let alone access to more advanced financial opportunities. They also often have to transact using highly unstable flat currencies, prone to episodes of sudden profound devaluation. Nordek ecosystem. From DeFi and Web3 applications to real-world implementations that positively impact the everyday life of people. We are bringing the most diversified and innovative projects which can support mass adoption. Norflix over 1,000+ global brands. A Web3 voucher service that allows Web2 brands to attract and retain customers, increase sales, and expand brand awareness in the Web3 loyalty fashion. Norpay debit and banking app metal cards and virtual cards issued by Visa and MasterCard. Ports 50+ tokens. Shop directly using NRK coins, redeemable prepaid cards and gift vouchers. Norpay debit card and banking app. Metal cards and virtual cards supports 50+ coins tokens. GameHub Play, Learn Trade Team Up Win, available in 170+ countries. Let's spread love and prosperity together.